Hello, it's Jim Games here, and in this quick video I'm gonna show you how to fix the scale of some objects that you're importing. As you can see here, the chair is a little bit too big for our player. So yeah, let's get started. As you can see here, when I click on the chair, you can see the scale is 1 on all of these. We want to find the correct size here, so I think 0.33 will be correct. See? Yes, that's the right size for me. So how can we make this as the default scale or the original scale? Is when we are importing the chair or the mesh, here we can see the import uniform scale. We want to set this to the same as you can see here. So 0.33 and import all. Now when we move this new to the level, you can see it's the same size, but it has the scale of 1. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.